bad. I wish I could be like the other girls. They have so much. The only hairstyle I can do is this bun. It is cool, but I really need a house. I only have 801 diamonds, and I'm so thankful for that. I wish I could buy heels with that, but I can't. The heels are so expensive, and the rich girls get to go in the bun pit. So unfair. Wait, what is that? That, um, oh my gosh, it's money. Oh my god, I just found money. Hmm, I need money, so I'm gonna take it. Okay. Ooh, and I get here. I'm gonna count the money right here. Okay, so let's count the money. A million diamonds. Oh my gosh, I'm so rich now. Oh my gosh, 2 million and believe it. 2 million diamonds. I can buy so much stuff with that. How about I go shopping? Okay, so there is a shopping thing here. Let's buy a lot of heels. Ching, 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 ching. Wow, so awesome. I'm gonna wear these nice little heels with socks on them because they're socks, right? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Wow, I'm gonna take. Oh my gosh, I'm choking right now. It's so beautiful. Wow. What else? Oh yeah, I wore some skirts and I bought a lot of accessories. Oh, I feel so rich now. Oh my gosh. But the accessory I got was the Miss Lady Rose Blood Eyes and the long elegant gloves. Let's put these on. Wow. And this. Oh, I look so pretty. Oh, these gloves don't really fit me, I don't think. Do they fit me? It doesn't look like they fit me. Well, that's weird. I think I am on. Oh, okay. So I am going to put on a skirt because, like, I need to. Here we go. Perfect. I look so rich. I'm gonna put my hair down. Ready? Like, look. Let me take it out. There we go. I look so much better. Wait, these are actually boots. These are boots. They're so pretty. I'm so happy. And they were so expensive. I was like, why are these shoes expensive? Huh? And they're actually, I mean, yeah. And they're still pretty. And I'm going to put on a nice outfit so you don't see my jeans because they'll be a little bit thing. Um, Perfect. But I'm not gonna take those heels. I'm gonna take these ones. These are much more pretty. I can't believe I found 2 million diamonds and I just spent them all on this stuff. Well, it was like 2,000 diamonds. That is so expensive. But I found 2 million diamonds. So let me just get my bag. Where is it? There it is. There we go. I look amazing. Just look at the fit.